Well, we're in the parking lot of the Monterrey Mall, also called the Electronics Mall. And we're going to go in here and try to find a power supply for my wife's little portable bass amp. She's got some idea she wants to play in the street. Anyway, this mall, the whole mall, is nothing but electronics. Everything, every kind of thing you can think of that has to do with electronics, they've got here in this mall. So we'll take a look around and see what's going on. Hope you enjoy it. And we'll see what she can find. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. They got some nice Christmas decorations up. Down there, that's more down there. Pretty amazing place. If you like electronics, this is the place to be. Yeah, look at that. You know, all kinds of things.
La persona que lo puede.
I don't even know. If you can't find it here, you probably can't find it. Dr. Mac, whatever that is. Down there, oh, there's a Christmas scene going on. Little manger scene, that's pretty cool. Full-size statues, wow, that's neat. Go this way. Nice Christmas tree. Oh, they got my present. My present's under the tree. Yeah, not gonna happen. OMG. Oh my God. Oh my God. We'll take the escalator down to the lower part of the mall. Have a look around down here, see what we can see. They got all kinds of things here. Let's see, there's all kinds of hot dogger, all kinds of electronics. I know I've said that before.
Escúcheme.
Ha, you're being followed. They got all kinds of weird stuff. People in bear costumes. Or maybe that was a real bear. This is pretty neat though. I like this. Uh-oh. Looks like Mary's, I think they would say Emperazada or something like that. That's because the baby hasn't been born yet. I don't know if they got midwife standing by or what, but oh, pretty cool. Right. And it goes on forever in here. Oh, look at, they got drones. Nice. Cool drones, I like that. I've got a new drone, but it's up in the United States at the moment, and I haven't seen it yet. Anyway, when we go back up there in the spring, hopefully we'll have some nice drone footage for you on the channel. I'd love to take the boat out, have the drone out on the lake. That would be really cool. Lots of stuff. All kinds of things here. Go up, back up, right up the escalator here. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like radio controlled cars and pretty awesome. Well, you all done? All kinds of things.
Where is this paper?
Over there, yeah.
You saved the paper?
Yes, I did. Yeah. All right. Well, I think you've seen enough electronic stuff. You probably can sign off. And, all kinds of stuff. See you later. Hope you're having a great day.